How do you conduct comparative law research? Have you ever wondered how legal scholars compare laws from different countries? Understanding this process can be a game changer in law school. Let's break down how to conduct comparative law research step by step. First, let's define what comparative law is. It is a research method that involves analyzing and comparing the laws of two or more countries. This approach helps you see how different legal systems tackle similar issues. The first step is to identify the legal topic you want to study. This could be anything from contract law to family law. Choosing a specific area will guide your research and make it more focused. Next, you need to select the jurisdictions you want to compare. Think about which countries' laws are relevant to your topic. For example, if you are looking at contract law, you might choose to compare the laws of the United States and Germany. Once you have your topic and jurisdictions, it's time to gather your legal sources. You will need both primary and secondary sources. Primary sources include statutes, case law, and treaties. Secondary sources can be legal encyclopedias, articles, and books that provide context and analysis. After gathering your sources, analyze the legal frameworks of each jurisdiction. This means understanding how their legal systems are structured. Look at the roles of courts, legislatures, and other legal institutions. Now comes the fun part, comparing and contrasting. Look for similarities and differences in how each country addresses the same legal issue. This analysis will help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each system. Don't forget to evaluate the cultural and historical contexts that shape these legal systems. Understanding the background can explain why certain laws exist and how they function. Finally, draw conclusions based on your research. What have you learned about the legal systems you studied? Are there any reforms or improvements you would suggest based on your findings? In law school, comparative law research is often part of projects where students compare legal systems. It is also essential for international law courses, as it helps students understand how different countries interact legally. These skills are also useful in legal writing. You may need to argue for or against legal principles based on comparisons with other jurisdictions. By following these steps, you can conduct thorough comparative law research that will serve you well in your academic journey and future legal career.